Do you want to create eye-catching 3D text in After Effects? It's simple, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. Once you're in your composition, select the horizontal type tool from the toolbar and click on the composition panel to type your text. Customize the font, size, and color in the character panel to suit your design. Next, to make the text 3D, go to the timeline and enable the 3D layer option by clicking the small cube icon next to your text layer. If you don't see the cube icon, click Toggle Switches/Modes at the bottom of the timeline to reveal it. Now, with 3D enabled, your text can be manipulated in 3D space. Press the P key to adjust position, R to adjust rotation, or S to scale the text. Play around with these properties to see how the text interacts in the 3D space. To give your text depth, you'll need to enable After Effects Cinema 4D Renderer. Go to the top of the composition panel, click the Renderer button, it might say Classic 3D, and change it to Cinema 4D. After enabling it, you'll see an option for Geometry Options under your text layer in the timeline. Expand this menu and increase the extrusion depth to add 3D thickness to your text. For lighting and shadows, create a light layer by going to Layer, then New, and selecting Light. Choose a point light or spotlight, depending on the effect you want, and position it in your scene. You can also adjust the light's intensity, color, and position for dramatic effect. To make the shadows visible, go to the Material Options for your text layer and enable Accept Shadows and Accept Lights. Finally, go ahead and animate your text to bring it to life. Use keyframes on the text position, rotation, or scale to create movement. Preview your work by pressing the spacebar, and when you're very happy with the result, go ahead and export your project. And there you have it. You now know how to make 3D text in After Effects. I hope this tutorial helped.